Disadvantages of ICT. Cybercrimes. Cybercrime is illegal activity that either threatens or uses a computer network or a network system. Many but not all cybercrimes is perpetrated by criminals or hackers who want to make money. Drug trafficking. The dark web site Silk Road was a major online marketplace for drugs before it was shut down twice by law enforcement. Accessing stored communication. It means hacking intentionally without authorization. Phishing is a cybercrime in which someone posing as a legitimate institution approaches a victim or target via email, telephone, or text message to attract individuals to provide confidential data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details, and passwords. Spoofing. A spoofing attack is when by impersonating data, an attacker or malicious program successfully acts on behalf of another person. ARP spoofing, DNS spoofing, and IP address spoofing are some common forms of spoofing attack. Extortion. Cyber extorting is an internet crime in which once you pay a requested ransom, someone takes electronic files of your business data hostage. Sports betting. A form of gambling in sports via watching on the internet. In some countries, even when you are gambling online, non-delivery of merchandise. Non-delivery of items is a system most commonly associated with internet auction fraud, in which a seller accepts payment for an item on an internet auction website but purposely does not. Cyber harassment. Cyber abuse applies to harassment online, the use of email, instant messaging, and offensive websites to bully or otherwise abuse an individual or group by personal attacks. Is cyber harassment or bullying. Lastly, child pornography. Federal law forbids any image of child pornography being made, published, imported, obtained, or possessed. A breach of federal laws on child pornography is a serious offense, and convicted criminals face substantial civil sanctions for fines.